Tired of scrolling through endless contacts in Follow-Up Boss, wishing there was a faster way to find exactly who you need? Well, today I'm going to show you how to harness the power of tags to pull up specific contacts in Follow-Up Boss, making your life a whole lot easier. First, make sure you're logged into your Follow-Up Boss account, then click on the People tab located in the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This will take you to your contact list. Now, look for the Filters button, usually located at the top of your contact list. Click on it to expand the filter options. You'll see a variety of ways to filter your contacts, including a field labeled tags. Click on the Tags field. A drop-down menu will appear displaying all the tags you've created in Follow-Up Boss. Simply select the tag you want to use to filter your contacts. For example, if you want to see all your first-time beer leads, select the Beer First Time tag. Voila! Your contact list will now display only the contacts that have the tag you selected. You can now easily work with this targeted group of leads. You can even select multiple tags to further refine your search. Simply click on additional tags in the drop-down menu to include contacts that have any of those tags associated with them. This allows for very specific and powerful segmentation. To save this filter for future use, look for a Save Filter option, usually near the bottom of the filter settings. Give your filter a descriptive name and click Save. This way, you can easily access this segmented list again with just a click. To access your saved filter, simply go back to the Filters button, select Saved Filters, and then choose your saved filter from the list. And that's it. By using tags and filters in Follow-Up Boss, you can easily segment your contacts, personalize your communication, and boost your overall productivity. Happy selling!